This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Darren Kempf. This house truly has flexibility in how you choose to utilize the space, with 2 separate living spaces and 2 options for eating space in the kitchen. Not only is the living space amazing, but the split floor plan provides added privacy. The owner's suite includes a large bedroom, ensuite bathroom with double vanity, and walk-in closet. On the other side of the home is the guest bathroom with updated vanity and 2 guest bedrooms. Through the sliding door you will find a fully fenced yard ready for you to enjoy the beautiful Florida weather, and a shed for your storage needs. All of this is within minutes to restaurants and shopping in Wesley Chapel, with easy access to I-75 for visiting downtown Tampa, the Gulf beaches, or Disney in Orlando. Do not miss out on this one.